Hi. So here we have a time and work question, and there are two ways of doing this question. One is using the LCM method, and other is using basically the fractional method, as in the unitary method. So we have Anil can paint a house in 60 days, Bimal can paint it in 84 days. Okay. So if this is 60 is basically 12 into 5 and 84 is 12 into 7. So let's take the total work to be done as LCM of 60 and 84. So LCM of 60 and 84 will be 12 into 5 into 7. That is 420 units. This is the total work to be done. Now if Anil can do this work in 60 days, that means efficiency of Anil will be 420 by 60, which is 7 units per day. Similarly, if Bimal can do this job in 84 days, so efficiency of Bimal will be 420 divided by 84, which is 5 units per day. This is their efficiencies per day. Now that we are given, what's happening is Anil starts painting. So Anil alone starts painting and paints for 10 days. After 10 days, Bimal and Charu join him. So now we have Anil, Bimal and Charu, all three of them working, and together they complete the work in another 14 more days. So the total work is done in another 14 days. That is total 24 days. Now if they are paid a total of 21,000, then the share of Charu is what? Now we know payment is generally done in the proportion of the work done. So whatever fraction of work Charu does, that's going to be the fraction of payment that Charu receives, right? So let's see what is the work done. So the total work done is going to be 420 units. That is going to be the work done by Anil in 10 days plus work done by all three of them in 14 days, right? Or let's look at the other way. Total 420 units is the total work done by Anil plus total work done by Bimal plus total work done by Charu. Work done by Anil plus work done by Bimal plus work done by Charu. So we have 420 is equal to work done by Anil will be, Anil works for a total of 24 days at an efficiency of 7. So work done will be efficiency into time for Anil. Bimal works for only 14 days at an efficiency of 5. So work done by Bimal will be 5 into 14 plus the work done by Charu. This is what we need, right? What is the fraction of work done by Charu? So work done by Charu here comes out to be 420 minus 7 into 24. So 7 into 24 is 168 minus 5 into 14, which is 70. So we have 420 minus 168 plus 70 is 238. So work done by Charu will be 420 minus 238. So this comes out to be 6282. 182 units. This is the work done by Charu. Okay. Now if this is the work done by Charu, the fraction of work done by Charu will be how much? 182 units. Let me write it over here. Fraction of work done by Charu is, Charu does 182 units out of a total of 420 units. Okay. So let's simplify this. This goes by 291 times. This goes by 210 times. Fine. Hence, the fraction of payment that Charu will receive, will be this much, 91 by 210 times of 21,000. Okay. So 21,000 goes by 210, this becomes 100, 100 into 91 is 9100. So the payment received by Charu will be option A, 9100. Okay. Now this is LCM method of doing this question. Now let's look at the unitary method of doing the same question. So in unitary method, let's calculate the fraction of the work done by Anil, Bimal. Okay. So fraction of the work done by Anil will be what? See, Anil does the whole work in 60 days. So Anil works for 10 and 14, 24 days. So the fraction of work done by Anil will be 24 by 60. So this goes by 6 4 times, this goes by 6 10 times, and this simplifies to 2 by 5. So Anil does 2/5 of the total work. Similarly, fraction of work done by Bimal would be what? Bimal works for only 14 days and he could have completed the work in 84 days. So the fraction of work done will be 14 upon 84. So this goes by 2 7 times, this goes by 2 42, and this comes out to be 1 by 6. So fraction of work done by Bimal will be 1/6 here. Okay. Hence the fraction of work done by Charu will be what? Total work is 1 minus the fraction done by Anil minus the fraction done by Bimal. So this here will be LCM of 5 and 6 will be 30. So this becomes 30 minus 6 into 2 is 12. 30 by 5 is 6. So 6 into 2 is 12 minus 30 by 6 is 5. So 1 into 5 is 5. This comes out to be 30 minus 17. 30 minus 17 is 13 by 30. So the fraction work done by Charu is 13 by 30. Hence, the fraction of payment that Charu receives will be 13 by 30th of the total payment, which is 21,000. So we have 0, 0 gets cancelled out, 2100 goes by 700 times, and 700 into 13. So 7 into 13 is 9100. So the payment that Charu receives will be same option A, 9100. Thank you.